Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. So in the previous class, we have discussed regarding the graphical method in operation research subject, that is linear programming. So today we are going to solve this one more problem. So already I said that 10 homework problems I have given. So these every day we are going to solve these 10 homework problems. So anybody students are they if they solve the problem, please say the answer in the comment section. So we are going to solve today the another problem. The problem is here: solve the following problem using graphical method. See, solve the following problem using graphical method, that is maximization method. So already in the beginning class we said that in a graphical method there are two types of problems are there, that is maximization method problem and minimization problem here. So the 10 questions are there. After solving the 10 questions, we will start the minimization problems one by one again. We will select more than 10 or 15 questions. So we will solve the minimization problem also. Then after completion of minimization problem, we go for the simplex method. So today you observe the carefully. So this is a question. Solve the following problem using graphical method. So the question is here: maximize z is equals to 2x plus 5y subject to x plus 2y less than or equal to 16, then 5x plus 3y less than or equal to 45. So how many constraints are there? Two constraints are there here. Two constraints are there, only two constraints. So you observe carefully. So first what we have to do, so already I said there are three steps are there. The first step is here. What we have to do? Simply convert the unequation into equation. So after converting unequation into equation, please find out the equation points, equation 1 points and equation 2 points. So after finding equation points, simply the step number 2 is here, representation of graph. Okay, these points should be represented on the graph paper. Then we are going to find out the corner points. So then what we have to do? Go for the representation of the objective function. That is the step number 3. Then finally we have to write the conclusion. So you observe carefully. First what I am doing here. First convert the unequation into equation. The conversion of unequation into equation is here. See, the question is x plus 2y less than or equal to 16. Then what I am doing here, simply x plus 2y is equals to, instead of less than or equal to symbol, I am adding is equals to symbol. So it is 16. So it is converted into equation. So simply here assume x is equals to 0. See, x is equals to 0. Then here x into 0, 0. So simply I have taken 2y is equals to 16. That is 2y is equals to 16. Then this value, the 2 will be, when it is converted to the right side here, simply it will become a denominator. Then here y is equals to 16 by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are. So y is equals to 8. Then after getting the x value and y value, simply write here points x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Then this is the first one. Then second for the 2y also here. See, assume y is equals to 0. X plus 2 into 0 is equals to 16. Then directly we will write x is equals to 16 only. Okay, direct y we are writing means here there is no numeric number value, only the x figure is there. Okay, then these points are written here. Points x is equals to 16, then y is equals to 0. Then after getting the x value and y value, simply write that in a table or in a box, that is x and y. See, for the first x is equals to 0. See, these points x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 8. Again these points x is equals to 16, y is equals to 0. This is the value of equation 1 we got now. Okay, then we go for the equation 2. Then 5x plus 3y is equals to 45. So here the number is given. Okay, so assume x is equals to 0. 5 into 0, 0 plus 3y is equals to 45. 3y is equals to 45. Y is equals to 45 by 3. See, this number is converted this side, it will become denominator. The 45 is the numerator. Y is equals to 45 by 3. 3 ones are, then 3 15s are. Okay. So points are here. X is equals to 0. See, y is equals to 15. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 15. Then go for the second one. Here 5x plus 3y is equals to 45. Assume y is equals to 0. 5x plus 3 into 0 is equals to 45. 5x plus 45 by 5. See, 5 ones are, then 5 nines are. X is equals to 9. So here the points are here. X is equals to 9 and y is equals to 0. Then again draw one table. In this table, write the values. Why? Because these values are called as equation point values. With these values, we are going to solve the graph here. So x is equals to the first points, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 15. Then x is equals to 9, y is equals to 0. Okay. Okay, my dear students. So I am writing here equation 1 points here. See, that is x and y 0, 8, 16, then 0. Okay, this is the equation first point. Then equation 2 points are here. See, this value you have to write over here only, x, y. Then x values are 0 and y is 15, then x is 9 and 0. Okay, these are the equation points. So the next one is here, a representation of graph. So which method we are doing? We are doing the graphical method. So the step number 2 is here, representation of points on a graph. We call it as representation of graph. Representation of a graph. So if you want to take a graph sheet, you can take the graph sheet in the examination point of view. Otherwise, simply take a pencil, draw with the help of scale the straight line, then you will get exact values. Okay. So here simply I am drawing a line. Yes. So you observe carefully. If you go downside, these are the negative values and this side is the negative values. So this is the 0 axis and this is the x axis and here it is the y axis. Then what is the minimum value and what is the maximum value here? You observe carefully, the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 16. Maximum value is 16. So we can take 5, 10, 15. Otherwise 4, okay, 8, 12, then 16, 20. In this way also, according to your wish. So I am taking here 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So here 4, 8, 12, then 16, then 20. Then again this side also, the y axis side also 4, so 0, 4, 8, then 12, next is 16, the next one is here 20. So this is the graph here. In this graph we have to exhibit all these points. Equation 1 points we are going to exhibit. X value is here 0. See, x is 0 and y is 8. Just to put a dot or x, keep a x. The next one is x is 16. See, x is 16 and y is 0. Y is 0. So draw a straight line between x axis and y axis. Okay, we got the straight line here, x and y. Then go for the equation number 2. X is 0, then y is 15. I think it is there 12 and 16 between here. Okay, this is a 15. Then x is equals to, see here, x is 9. X is 9 and y is 0. So draw a straight line here. Draw a straight line. So after getting these lines here, see, this is a point, intersecting point we call. So simply keep a dotted lines. Okay, this region is called as feasible region. Feasible region. So in this way, draw the lines. Okay, so you observe carefully. See, this is the first. A is equals to x is 0 and y also 0. The corner points we need to find out here. The next b here. X is here 8. Then next here 9 we can take 9. Then y is equals to 0. Okay. The next C here. C corner. See, x is equals to, see, 4 is there, 5, 6, I think here 6, x is 6, then y is here 4, 5, it is also 6. Okay, y x is 6 and y is 6. So this is a not exact value. Why? Because see, I am not using the scale. It is not possible to take the help of scale on this board big, because the big is little bit board. So I want this much big board, big scale is required. That's why I'm just my assumptions. This is the 6 and y here. So with the help of scale, you solve this the same problem. Okay. Then this is the next D corner. See, x is 0 and y is 8. X is 0, y is 8. So less than or equal to symbol is there for first equation, and for second equation also less than or equal to symbol is there. So that's why the inside I draw all these lines. So this region is called as feasible region. So after getting all these values, the step number 4 we have to do. Okay, wait. The step number 4 is here. I'm doing. That is the representation of the values in objective function. See, representation of values in objective function. That is step number 3. Representation of corner points. Okay, corner points in a objective function. In objective function. So what is our objective function? Here our objective function is here, maximize z is equals to 2x plus 5y. So here we need to remember 5 columns. First column is item, then second column is point. The points are x points and y points. Then third one is here the objective function. The objective function is here. What is our objective function? Okay, what is our objective function? That is wait a minute. Objective function. Objective function. So here objective function is z is equals to 2x plus 5y. Then here the profits. So how much profit we'll get? We are going to write here the profits. So here corner A, corner B, corner C, corner D. X points and Y points. X points and Y points. So X is A is here 0 and 0. X is 0, Y is 0. Okay. Then next B corner, B X is 9 and Y is 0. Then C is here 6, again 6. Then D 0 and 8. Okay, these values we have to multiply with objective function. So the first one is z is equals to 2 into 0. X value is 0 here, so I am taking 0. Then 5 into 0. Okay, the profit is how much profit? Profit is 0. The next one is z is equals to 2 into 9 plus 5 into 0. 2 nines are how much, my dear students? Yes, 2 nines are 18. Then next over here, see, z is equals to 2 into 6 plus 5 into 6. 2 6 are 12, 5 6 are 30. So 12 plus 30, that is 42 is the value. Then next, the last one, z is equals to 2 into 0 plus 5 into 8. 5 8s are 40. See, 2 into 0 0, 5 8s are 40. Okay, so by observing these profit value, see the feasible region. If we stay in this feasible region, so we are going to earn the profit is here. 42 is the profit here. So this is the profit point. So then after completion of this, step number 3 is simply write a small conclusion. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is important here. The conclusion is important here. So the profit is equals to how much we got? 42 at the corner corner points, x is equals to 6, y is equals to 6. So in this way you have to solve the problem. So so at this we complete today's class. Then tomorrow we are going to solve the problem number 4. Okay, so already I kept in our channel the 10 problems. So every day we are solving one by one problem. So please subscribe to our channel. So share among your friends and promote my channel. So thank you very much. Have a good day.